Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Steve Tips. So today we are going to see how to create questions using Moodle, the drag and drop questions. So let's get into the video. So today we are going to see how to create drag and drop questions using Moodle. So this is a sample quiz. So go to the add from question bank. If you have the question already, you can take from the question bank. Now we are going to create a new question. So click on a new question, and here you're going to choose drag and drop into text. Okay, and say add. Now the question is added. So here we can enter drag and drop text. Now here we can give the question, what is the capital of Oman? And then here we'll give the answers. For that you have to give the options. What is the capital of Qatar? So question mark, and we will give what's the capital of Saudi, and then give number 3. So now what we have to do is we have to set up the answers. So you can give the marks 1.5 marks for this, and moving on, going down. So the choice 1 is going to be Oman's capital is Muscat. So we have to choose the right answer. So just put the answer as Muscat. Number 2, capital of Qatar is going to be Doha. And number 3, what's the capital of Saudi? It's going to be Riyadh. Okay. Once you gave the options, now click on the Save Changes. Now the question is added. Just click on the preview and you will see what is the capital of Oman. So you can just take and keep Muscat over there, Doha, Riyadh. Okay, so this is how we are creating the questions, drag and drop questions. Thank you.